Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Sakia and you're watching My News Any. Calling the June 4 Bengaluru stampede accident, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge stated that action will be taken if there were any intentional missteps taken. Here we are bringing you the full details. Mallikarjun Kharge calls Bengaluru stampede an accident. Congress compares incident with Kumbh Mela. Siddhara Maria calls BJP's demands political. Government awaits investigation before taking action. Yes, viewers, All India Congress Committee President Mallikarjun Kharge called the June 4 stampede outside Bengaluru's Stadium an accident and stated that compared Karnataka government's administrative steps with that during Uttar Pradesh Kumbh Mela in January and during COVID-19 pandemic. It is definitely wrong and our leaders have apologized, Kharge stated in response to the BJP's demand that Karnataka Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and Home Minister resign over the incident that led to 11 deaths. Did anyone resign for the stampede during the Kumbh Mela? I don't speak much, but legs took a dip in Kumbh Mela and I was criticized for one statement. We saw many dead bodies flood away. Kharge told the media, saying it wasn't just the case in Uttar Pradesh but also during COVID. The AICC president questioned who resigned over those tragedies. It's not just the case here, but even during COVID, did Yogi resign from the stampede? If anyone is intentional, then we will accordingly take in steps. But this is an accident. It is definitely wrong and our leaders have also apologized, he stated. Karnataka CM had previously made a similar comparison when asked about accountability following the Bengaluru stampede during the victory event for Royal Challengers Bengaluru's Maidan IPL title. Chief Minister also called the BJP's demand for resignations over the RCB stampede pure political and accused the opposition of playing blame games after the tragic incident. He once again brought to attention the stampede during the Kumbh Mela and pointed to several other past similar incidents and questioned the BJP's silence then, calling the BJP's demand opportunistic. The CM further stated the government will take appropriate action based on the outcome of the investigation. Yes, viewers, All India Congress Committee President Mallikarjun Kharge has described the June 4 stampede outside Bengaluru Stadium, which resulted in 11 deaths, as an accident in response to the BJP's demand for the resignation from Karnataka Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and Home Minister. Kharge questioned why no one resigned following similar tragedies in the past. Kharge drew parallels between the Bengaluru stampede and the Kumbh Mela in Uttar Pradesh, where many people lost their lives. Did anyone resign from the stampede during the Kumbh Mela, he asked. He also mentioned the COVID-19 pandemic, saying it is not just the case here, but even during COVID-19. Did Yogi resign from the stampede? Kharge emphasized that if the accident was intentional, action would be taken accordingly. Karnataka CM had previously made similar comparisons, calling the BJP's demand for resignations pure political. He accused the opposition of playing blame games and manipulating facts. He further questioned the BJP's silence on past incidents such as the Kumbh Mela stampede, a flyover collapse and the Gora train accident. He further stated that the government would take appropriate action based on the outcome of the investigation into the Bengaluru stampede. He described the BJP's demand as opportunistic and emphasized that the government is committed to take necessary steps to address the incident. The Congress leaders have apologized for the tragedy and the focus remains on ensuring justice for the victims and their families. Here is what AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge have stated.
I get the courtesy call DCM ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು. ಒಂದು 3-4 ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾಪ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಪೇಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಸ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡಳಿತಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನಾನು ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಕುಂತು ತಗೊಂಡೇವೆ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಕೆಲವು ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮವಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಂಥವು ಕೆಲವು ಘಟನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಡಿಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತು. ಪಾಪ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಬೆನ್ನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು, ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತು ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದೆವು. ಸೊ ಅದು ನಡೀತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕಟ್ಸಿ ಕಾಲ್ DCM ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು. ಒಂದು 3-4 ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾಪ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಪೇಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಸ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡಳಿತಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನಾನು ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಕುಂತು ತಗೊಂಡೇವೆ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಕೆಲವು ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮವಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಂಥವು ಕೆಲವು ಘಟನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಡಿಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತು. ಪಾಪ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಬೆನ್ನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು, ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತು ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದೆವು. ಸೊ ಅದು ನಡೀತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕಟ್ಸಿ.
For further updates, keep watching My News Any.